How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Dalgona Coffee, decaf coffee that is. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want to. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Now, Dalgona Coffee has been the craze all over the internet. It's going wild. This is keto friendly, so it doesn't have any sugar in it. And it's also decaf. So I'm gonna show you how to make this right now. All right, we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I'm using Decaf Cafe Bustelo. And 2 tablespoons of boiling water. And 5 drops of liquid stevia. All right, now mix until combined. All right, and just give it a minute to rest so it allows it to get even extra foamy. Now we're gonna top this on top of almond milk over ice. And we'll have our Keto Dalgona Coffee. We have our glass here. We're gonna fill it up with ice. And fill it with unsweetened almond milk. Now to place the froth on top of the iced almond milk. And there you have it, Decaf Dalgona Coffee. All right, can't wait to try it. Now, before you try it, you should stir it because all that frothiness is all up on top there. That's where all the instant coffee lies. Look at that, it's looking like a Starbucks coffee or something, right guys? All right, now for a taste test. Wow, that is out of this world. Absolutely delicious. It's a strong coffee though. It's gonna be strong. There's 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in this, but this is decaf, so I have nothing to worry about, but still, I mean, it has a strong coffee taste and it's delicious. You could play with the sweetness. If you want a little more sweetness, you could add more stevia. You can also add Swerve confectioners. This is the simplest recipe out there for the Keto Dalgona Coffee. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy setting out.